Today we're back out here with the JTS shotgun, the AK variant. And today we're going to use some Premier Handicap 27 Nitros. We're going to be using the Saiga mag. And we're just going to dump a mag right here for you. So let's go ahead and grab the gun. Let's go ahead and put our mag in and we'll see if this thing will run. There you go, ran perfect. Got all 10 through. Empty mag. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Also, here's a couple other videos that you might be interested in.